Good afternoon, student. Now, today we will see 2.3 a wall magazine for your class. So, this is a lesson that is based on activity. So, we are students of 6th, and here what is given, students of 6th A bubbled with enthusiasm all the time. Means they are always ready to do that is extra or something new, be it sports, hobbies, or studies. They are always enthusiastic. Enthusiastic means always interested. They are in 6th standard, means here age is same. This year they surprise the rest of the school by bringing out a wall magazine. So what they have decided to do, wall magazine. Magazine, have you seen? In Marathi what we say, masik, means here stories, poems, new experiment, jokes that we collect together. This is called that a magazine. The idea became so popular that soon there were unique wall magazines in almost every class in the school. So it has been decided they will show wall magazine, and it was an unique idea. This is what class 6A did to plan and prepare their wall magazine. So they decided to do their wall magazine. First, the students and class teacher of 6A brought several children's magazines and pages of children's sections in periodicals and newspapers to the classroom. Now here periodicals, newspapers, these are what that medias. So every day we see that newspaper, there is also something for children. So here class teacher and that students brought some pages that is about children's sections in periodicals. Periodicals means here that we know that every day that we see that is newspaper. Then we see weekly supplement. Then here after 15 days we get that magazines or monthly magazines, and for one yearly this is called that periodicals. Now here they studied the contents, what they have seen, contents in that magazines or in that newspapers. Now see here in that newspaper what we get that contents. There was a tremendous variety in that. Stories were there, poems, puzzles, readers, craft ideas, informative articles, interesting tidbits of information, jokes, board games, book reviews, quizzes, then study tips, health tips, and even recipes also in that periodicals or in that magazine. There were also columns about students' achievement. Was there columns about students' achievement, doubts and problems. These columns were run with the help of teachers or parents. So here that class 6A and teachers decided this year they will do wall magazine. Now here students, what are the contents of magazines or what we can show? Wall means we will paste page on wall. This is called that a wall magazine. Means one class we will take empty class, and in that empty class we will paste jokes page, poems page, stories pages, then science experiments pages, tidbits or informative some information or students achievement. So in this way we can make that a wall magazines. After studying all the material, a discussion was held in the class to choose sections for their own magazines. So they decided that they took discussion on that to choose sections for their own magazine. It was decided that there would be at last 4 issues of the magazine. How many issues they have decided? 4. There would be a separate team for each issue. The team would have an editor, one or two sub-editors, illustrators means artists and writers, those who actually copied or typed the issues in beautiful letters. So here teacher have made that 4 sections or 4 issues. They have decided teams of that children, and that one team will be editor, means they will see if spelling mistake is there or properly written or not, and that another what they will do, they will write what actually students have already copied or written words they will copy. Anyone in the class could send contribution to the issue. So there was a freedom to select that where we can join in that team. The editors would select the articles to be included and their decisions would be final. So students who has written that material, they will accept the decision of that editors. Suppose particular team has said you have not written properly, then students should listen of that editors. We know that newspaper editor, what they do here, that news, those who collect that news, that collect news and gives to that editor, and here editor decides whatever correct or wrong, and they give their suggestions. So in this way in class also that editor team will decide or they will take decision on that. Thus there would be 4 different teams to work on the 4 issues. The columns regular features in all 4 issues were planned with the help of the class teacher. So here students had taken the help of teacher. Apart from the editorial teams, more groups were made to run columns like craft ideas, recipes, I need help, science corner, etc. It was the job of these groups so to collect material for their respective columns. So in this way here that editorial teams, more groups were made to run columns. Which columns were there? Craft ideas, recipes, or I need help, science corner, etc. And it was the job of these groups to collect material for their respective columns. With the teacher's help, a prominent means important place was fixed to display the magazine in the classroom. And in this way they had done planning how they will exhibit or demonstrate their wall magazine. With the a long discussion was held to choose a good name for the magazine. So student, here we got ideas about that magazine. Now here, are you tempted to do something similar for your own class? Now here one work we will do. Here for wall magazine you will make one page. Here you can write poem or jokes or story, and you will write in that good handwriting. Now it's not possible to make groups because already we are at home. So here you do one thing. Here we got ideas. Different items are there. So recipe, if you have recipe, any recipe of any about any new dish, or if you have jokes, or if you have that good drawing, then you will do that and you will send me on my numbers. Now see here one specimen given, jokes. If you want to write that jokes, then here also given in that In this way you can perform that jokes. So teachers and that Valley here jokes between two. Valley, why are you late? Then Valley give answer, the train had a flat tire. Now here we got that understood that joke, how that train has no that wheels, but here what he said that the train had a flat tire means ट्रेन पंक्चर झालेली त्यामुळे मला वेळ झाला. सो दीज आर what we can say that jokes. In this way we can perform. Now see here, this is what that jokes page. This is what jokes page. So if you want to draw jokes like that, then we can prepare jokes on that. Then suppose you want to draw that science corner means experiment about that, you can write. So here we have started, here science exhibition we have started. Tomorrow we will see remaining part.